That is how the
Can
mother.
your officers be so heartless? She's charged of 2 and 2 only. What prompted your officers to bring her to the police station in the night? She was running away. All right, we direct the entire police station to be placed under suspension right now.
Let her explain what actually.
Yes.
Around 4 a.m. it is pretty bright. During
Again,
the
you are trying to tell us what is day and what is night.
no, Your Lordship.
You are a lady, and how your officers have behaved with women. What have you done till now? Now, please don't make us comment. This step-by-step improvement, you want us to believe that? Now, what is your stand, Mr. Mazumdar? Children picked up with the mothers.
Children were not picked up. Since mother was asked to come because she was having information about the accused, she was not disclosing.
Juvenile Justice Act.
Your Lordship is a
Child can't be brought to the police station.
child. These children are not in conflict with law as per the Juvenile Justice Act.
Even if they are in need of care and protection, can you take them to the police station, please?
That is how the
Can
mother.
your officers be so heartless? She's charged of 2 and 2 only. What prompted your officers to bring her to the police station in the night? She was running away.
The incident took place at night, and thereafter at 2:30 a.m. the police had to visit the place of occurrence.
So what was the anxiety to pick up the ladies in the night, knowing very well that there are small children with them?
She was having information about the accused. He was not disclosing. This
So,
morning, 4:30 a.m.
so what you'll do? You'll beat her with a belt. Then
to collect information to ask her.
can you take a woman to the police station in the night? Tell us.
As per
Okay.
here,
Come to this.
CRPC.
Read CRPC. Let's see, gentlemen.
46:4.
Yes.
Save in exceptional circumstances, no woman shall be arrested
Yes.
after the sunset and before sunrise.
Yes.
And where such exceptional circumstances exist.
So, all right, what prompted you to bring her to the police station? On what ground? What were the grounds to call her to the? Is there a summon that appeared at the police station for giving the statement? Can you bring the woman to the police station for interrogation in night? And that with children.
5 a.m. is not night in Guwahati. It is all by 4:30.
Our clock still says we don't have a different time zone.
We don't have, but one is absolutely bright in the morning.
Yes.
After 4:30, your Lordship said.
That we know, but the clock in our country doesn't make a distinction. She said, my husband is not here. I don't know. So you want to interrogate. So you take her to the police station, small children being dragged along. All right, we direct registration of FIR immediately against your officials.
Since
What you have spoken till now
My lord.
is enough to give that direction. All right, now this was on 25th
20,
May.
my lord.
Then what happened?
My lord, Lordship may kindly go for.
Continue. Baby of 2.5 years. All right, we direct the entire police station to be placed under suspension right now.
Let her explain what actually.
Yes,
Your Lordship, the
you are
first
the Superintendent of Police.
Superintendent of Police of
Yes.
Guwahati District. Your Lordship, when the first prime accused Shahjahan Ali was absconding, we did a lot of local inquiry, and then we got to know that his wife, the second wife, she stays in a remote share area under Chunari PS in Golpara. So we had dispatched a party from Dhubri district at night, and they reached the house of the second wife at around 4:15 a.m. Your Lordship, at around 4 a.m. it is pretty bright.
Again, you are trying to tell us what is day and what is night.
No, Your Lordship. In the house of the other, the second wife, her parents were there, her brother was there. There were other members, but because it was a 2.5-year-old baby, she did not want to leave the baby, and hence we had to bring. She got the baby out of her own accord along with her. We did not get the baby or the children along,
Okay.
but because the children did not want to leave the mother, they accompanied the mothers and came. And Your Lordship, this
Why could your officers not have waited for 2 more hours?
Your Lordship, it is a remote shore area, and they had to come walking. And after that, I apologize that we did not wait for.
You are a lady,
Your Lordship.
and how your officers have behaved with women. What have you done till now? These facts are on the record. Your own document. 4:15 a.m. She's brought to the police station with a child.
Your Lordship,
More is wanted.
the woman sub-inspector was there in the raiding party. I apologize that we should have waited for 2 more hours and then brought her. I apologize for that.
Why do you need to apologize for these thankless people? All right, very well. Yes, Mr. Mazumdar. When was Rokia Khatun arrested? Your sequence,
last.
you gave her summons to appear on the next day. That is She was to come back on 26th May.
26 weeks.
Now your sequence is silent. She's shown arrested on 31st May. What happened between that period?
My lord,
She was kept at the police station.
She was
Your
kept.
lordship, notices were issued and she was released on PR bond and then she was summoned the next day. We have the 160 CR.
Next day was 26th.
And the, your lordship, all the local witnesses were pointing their finger to Shah Jahan Ali. And because as per local information, we have that Rukia Khatun was well aware of all his land dealings. And the murder weapon through two 7.65 cartridges were found in the scene of crime. And we have not yet been able to recover the murder weapon. So the local source
So
information.
for your failure to nab the principal accused, you will start picking up women. That's what you try to convey.
Your lordship, the local information conveys that the wife is well aware and she has been complicit equally
So, up-
in hiding the murder weapon. And which is why we had to interrogate her. And because this was a completely blind case, several witnesses have been examined. So we had to re-examine her continuously so that we could corroborate new facts. And your lordship, if I may submit, because Shah Jahan Ali is a very well-known criminal in that area, interrogating or examining his wife.
So there is a presumption that his family members are also criminal.
Your lordship, it's not a presumption. We have local information and witness statements which say that she was well aware of all his land dealings and his brother and she were complicit in the conspiracy and abetment of the murder of the original.
You're directing registration of an FIR now, right now. Mr. Mazumdar, tell us from your case diary, what happened after the lady was summoned on 26th? Where is your case diary? You can do anything you want to the accused. Why pick on ladies and children?
Rukia Khatun, my lord, one of the wives, she was produced in the court
On
on
31st.
31st. He was arrested on 31st.
So that's what the question is. You gave her summons to come back to the police station on 26th. Your written note doesn't say so. Your written note says
My lord.
Shah Jahan was not found in the house of his second wife.
My lord. He's not found.
She was brought to the police station at 4:15 PM. Your statement was she was residing in a remote char. So presumably she must have been picked up much before that. 4:15 is arrival in the police station. We are going by your written note.
My lord, let her about one.
Your lordship, she was got from her house at 4:15 AM and she's brought to the police station at 12:10 PM.
12:10 PM.
PM.
Next 7 hours.
Next day.
Your note says,
Dupuria, he did well.
12:10 PM during the day, your lordship.
of
It was-
course, we know. That is why 7-8 hours.
Yes, yes.
4:15 to 12:10.
Right.
So picking her up at 4:15 is admitted. All right, you give us a translation of the case diary.